Are you tired of spending countless hours on manual tasks as a real estate agent? Do you dream of having more time to focus on what matters most? Helping clients find their dream homes? Well, you're in luck because artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the real estate industry, and we're going to show you exactly how to harness its power to save you 20 hours a week. Let's start with the most critical aspect of real estate: lead generation. In today's competitive market, generating high-quality leads is a daunting task. But with AI-powered tools, you can automate the process and focus on converting leads into clients. One such tool is ChatFuel, an AI-driven chatbot that integrates seamlessly with your website, social media, and CRM. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can handle inquiries, answer common questions, and even book appointments for you. That's exactly what ChatFuel offers. By creating a simple chatbot, you can save hours of time responding to repetitive questions